In my last video, I mentioned to y'all that the division is by design. I want you to consider that. What happens when you are divided? What happens when they tell you that your neighbor is guilty of whatever's going on with your life? Whatever happens when they tell you that, well, that person color is the reason that you're not doing good. Whatever happens when they tell you that that gender is not as good as yours. What happens when they tell you those people from that country take your jobs away? It creates division. What happens when you are divided? Simple. They can control you better. Simple as that. I've seen that my entire life. Government is the king on dividing people. They don't want you together. They don't. They will create propaganda to keep you separated. They will segregate you because that is division. Even within those segregated groups, they will create divisions. Let's bring it to the Hispanic community. That way I don't get in trouble or people won't call me racist or something. So they segregate you. Oh, you are Hispanic. Okay. But are you a Republican or a Democrat? Because there's a big difference. You're Hispanic, but now let's segregate you more. Are you Republican or Democrat? Which one are you? Oh, okay. Now, you're Hispanic. You are a Republican or a Democrat. But are you white or you black? Separate you even more. Now you're Hispanic, Democrat or Republican, black or white. But are you a man or a woman? Even more. And so on and so forth. Why? Because they don't want you together. Because it doesn't matter whether you are a Republican, whether you're black, whether you're white, whether you are Hispanic. It does not matter. It doesn't. We are all human beings. It doesn't matter whether you're a man or you're a woman. It really doesn't matter. We are all human beings. But to them, it does matter. Because by putting that wedge between each other, it creates division. You see what I'm saying? It's a lot easier to deal with small pockets of population because I relate to this group, so I'm gonna stick with this group and that's it. I'm gonna ignore that we are all human beings and we all together. We all eat, we all drink water, we all breathe air, we all gonna die. It doesn't matter who you are. Those things are gonna happen whether you like it or not. In the end, you will die because that's the end of all of us. But they want you separated. They want you separated because in a small group, you are easily controllable. Because if you ignore the fact that it doesn't matter whether you're black, white, blue, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you have political affiliations one way or another. It doesn't matter whether or not your reproductive organs are inside or outside. It doesn't matter. And you come to the realization that all we need to be is together. That way we are not so easily controllable. The government will have zero power. Zero. At that moment, at that very moment, that government will be for us, the people. At that very moment that you realize that all of that segregation that you had done, all of that you have believed that is so important, it isn't. All of that you thought that this is my Alamo because this is the way I think, doesn't really matter. What matters is come together. Because at the end of the day, we, the people, have the power. We have the power. And we have given that power away to an entity. We did. And that entity right there, run by evil people, separate us. Because together we're not easy to control. But in little groups, we are. We most definitely are. That's what they had done. You think you will survive a collapse if we're not together? We will not. If you are by yourself, you're probably going to last a little bit because you may have mobility. You don't have to worry about anything else. But you won't last forever. In fact, you're most likely to perish if you're by yourself. A group will always make you stronger. There is strength in numbers. Hence the reason why no government wants to allow people to be together. They want you separated. That's why they create all of these narratives of, oh, you need to stick with your gender, woman's power, I don't know, white people supremacy, or blacks, or it's just insanity, or like, I don't know. They have come out with so many things, all of them for one single purpose: to separate us all, to segregate us all from each other. They put us in little mental concentration camps. That's what they have done. It's not physical, it is mental. They have segregated us all, and we have done it willingly. And the consequences is this: huge government that does not care of what we say, government that believes that we work for them, not them for us, government that constantly take us to war without us wanting it, government that have destroyed our economy, government that have indoctrinated our children's, government that have stripped away our wealth, government they believe that unless you paid them royalties, taxes, rent, your property, they'll come and take it away. And I can keep going. At the end of the day, the division always has been by design. Alone, we are weak. Together, we are strong. It is as simple as we, the people. We is not an individual. We is all of us. And unless we come together, there will not be a tomorrow. With that being said, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.